I go for my tea. Because I go tell you why the JLP they have a man them a kill you so. Sass, come here. What the fuck are you doing in the people in yard? I want them. They will poison you. Get your ass in the house. Get your ass in the house right now. I try to give you a little leniency on me. Get inside now because I don't want to yell at you. Go. Baby, pin her on her leash, okay? It's right there on the door. Alright. Morning. Me have to go get me tea, people, because this I wanna serious. This I wanna serious. It is a mere fact that you don't vote for a man with hate. We hate poor people, so. One thing I tell you about lying now. You see, one time people lie, me don't like them. You see that money, wanna have as one leader is a big idiot waste man. You see me? Big idiot waste fucking man. Believe me. Yesterday, this big nose brother, nose big like somebody blood clot heel back. This big nose brother, I go sit down in a parliament or turn up in a parliament or him body a burn him in a parliament. I go say, the people them, where got the shop them, go buy the 2 pound of flour, the big jilla oil, and the half stick of butter at them. What is the problem, mommy? What is the problem? Answer me. Alright, ma, don't interrupt me while I'm doing the live. What are you calling me for? You know, that's crazy. I thought I told you yesterday I can voice my opinion, ma. What you think? Someone can lock me up for doing this? Why you calling me? Ma, allow me to do. Just stop it. Just stop. Okay? Let me do my topic. Him is a big waste man for enough reason. If you are going to sit down and blame crime and violence for the dancehall artists them first, then it's a pussy hole here. I got in a blood clad parliament about him a read Bible. Pussy, you know God? You know God? You know God, you can't reason with about God, youth. Pussy, you know God? You know God? You don't know God, youth. Go suck your mother, youth. You don't know no God. You don't know no God. Pussy, no come and reason with about no God. Because God no in you, God no in your party. You know see it there? When Mr. Right there, I open a fire in pussy hole already. You not see him verbally abusing a woman on tape. Because you hate woman so much in that the party there. You can't beat them, chastise them and do them all kind of things. So now say right now me hear PNP so you need to put him out. He need to drop him, need to fire. So what now do? We now go still have this man in our party. We are verbally abuse women. Obviously is aggressive towards women, you know. You feel me I deal with, and that is the reason why. That is the reason why women don't get justice in Jamaica. Why? Because you have them same kind of pollution there in your party. You don't believe in the rights of women. You don't believe so you can deal with women any kind of way, pussy. And then you don't want to come blame blood-clad poor people and people who are the right youth. A whole heap of people at Jamaica don't want no badness, but I don't force them to eat no badness because the people them hungry and need to feed them, pitney them pussy. Warm to the man that when a parliament will beat off the girl and police confirm say a Mr. Right or whoever what the fuck him want name, you know. You see me? I know me no hear you come with your suckud mouth in a parliament can talk about the abuse where you see in parliament boy in a jail pay a deal with woman. But every day you suck off corona hood. Them a use corona fucking in your mouth like dog. Them a use corona fucking in your mouth like dog. But every minute you get up poor people. So you want to come tell me, say no, poor people are the reason when we go buy the 1 pound of rice, the big Gila Hyla, we have transmit blood clot, COVID. Every minute you have COVID in your blood clot mouth. Pussy where you not going to get COVID and dead, man. Go in a youth and go. Pussy, how are you, man? How are you? Youth, let me show you a thing. Pussy, if you never know. No for the things them when you say no make no sense, bitch. Swear to your pussy. Because you see rich uno, we got Price Mart and Mega Mart, them the place ever full. Me see whole heap of videos and I never seen a blood clot mass neither. He even went to your parliament boy did a verbally beat the woman and a describe her and a go on with himself. He never have no master do this. So one want to say a poor people do everything pussy all. What we can do so everything a blood clot we can hardly buy rice and blood clot flour and now we transmit blood clot COVID. Now we do this and now we do that when Price Mart ever full. When Mega Mart ever full and none of them have no blood clot mass pussy wall. But only thing we don't know if you do a take up we not self blame poor people for everything. We can't even help with bomb buckler self. Vote for uno for blood clot help we and uno come blame we. See them we. Poor people vote the most because we want change and we want better pussy wall. And you come with your whole heap of song them and talk about say yo you go help we. And you go help with pitney them and help do all like this and the only thing you do is make Jamaica fall further than where the blood clot they are ground pussy wall. It's like you dig out one hole in the bomb clot ground and kick off Jamaica in night because you hate poor people. Pussy wall. Every minute me you talk of something against poor people because you is a wicked. Poor people put you where the pussy wall. Poor people put you which part you the bitch. If you don't know, let me tell you that now. And every minute you get up, you pick on poor people. And we are going to shop, go spread COVID. And we are going to shop, go do this. If you go buy 1 pound of flour, we are kill everybody. If you go buy 1 Gila Hyla, we are kill everybody. Pussy wall, make up your mind. And who are the problem? Yes, are you are the problem, dog? Are you bring COVID come my yard? Everything you bring come a bomb clot Jamaica because you're so pussy clot, licky and run against batty boy. You too licky and run great. You want to send Uber Eats to Jamaica. You want to send Uber this. You have all kind of food transportation, $700 for delivery. Pussy! The people can't even buy the food, much less pay for delivery, batty man. But you want to live like America, you don't have America money, batty boy. Why you not going to look out for the people in the bomb buckler, get and stop, blame them. Pussy of them put you where you're there, if you never know. Yes, a pussy wall wicked. You are one next bomb buckler, Hitler, one of them bomb bucklers, segregation man, you pussy. You are one of them man, like the youth with the Cuba and them man, you are wicked. You are one big wicked boy, you. Everything you blame poor people for, everything are poor people, everything are this. And then when time when you come, the only thing when you care about a sodomite and Batman. If Batman a fuck Batman, if sodomite a fuck Batman, go suck on no mother man. Batman and sodomite, they have mind, they own a blood clot business and all a help people too. But every day you know want get up, you know want badness against Batman. You know so pussy, you know so good. Batman for dead, sodomite for dead. Want to poor people who are not in the country a blood clot suffer pussy wall. Eh? You is a big batty boy. Every time you come on this parliament in contact, all you do is bring down blood clot poor people. All you do is bring down poor people. A poor people do it. A poor people do it. A poor people do it. Who give COVID? Poor people. Who are going to give the most COVID? Poor people. Poor people are do what, me boy? What me do, me boy? Hey, me boy? You a fuck COVID, you know. We don't say COVID a fuck you and you a fuck COVID, you know. Because every day your cases are go up and nobody in their family now see these people. Oh, Jamaica big so. Oh, Jamaica little so. Sorry. And so much case of COVID is going up. And nobody family member don't know about it. Me no know that family they were going to say, yo, you know, say, yeah, my cousin have COVID. You know, say, yeah, my uncle have COVID. No blood clot body have COVID. But every day you get up on the TV, COVID. Girl are dead. No, man, fuck that. No, girl can't dead, man. COVID. So one more girl dead there in the prime minister. Yo, fuck that, man. Me so deal with that. COVID. Yo, some more girl are dead. You know, he's out, man. Me so deal with that. COVID. Yo, dog, 2 more women dead, you know. Vaccine. Woman, them are dead bad, you know, man. One more they find in a bush or throat cut, you know. Vaccine. Una must take the vaccine. Pussy every day you get up a fuck with in our mouth with COVID. Big bumbleclad idiot boy. Then you want come cause you watch with the vlogger them want burn you in a pussy so me know say you hear we in a batty boy. Me no need for respect you cause you know my father bumbleclad. You hear that youth? Me no need for respect you know there in my house. You not do nothing for me, you not do nothing for poor people. So you can just go suck your mother. All you do, I set up ghetto youths. All you do, I chew a gun pan them. All you do, I chew a murder pan them what them do. Pussy you nasty say you make your whole place a job. Everybody hungry but the poor people are get the blame. Hungry job, poor people get the blame. And that go on. Poor people get the blood clot blame. As soon as people are dead for hungry, a poor people do it. People are dead from COVID, a poor people do it. Which part them case of COVID are dead, bitch? You hear now? Yo, pussy stop come get up every day and tell lie. Which part the case of COVID them there where you say we have, big man? Pussy right there. Which part? Because every day you come on them news, you know, 57,000 more people. Where is this 57 more people? How much kids missing, but only thing you can come talk about is vaccine. How much local girl missing? Where is Jasmine Dean? Pussy. Come talk about the things that want to plague the island. Pussy hole. Pussy come talk about the things that want to plague the island. Batty man. Come talk about them then, pussy. You see, none of we family them are dead from bumbleclad COVID, so good. And you can talk about who they in a hospital, who not have the bed, who not. Go suck your mother, youth. Do something about that, youth. I hear a problem that bitch. And stop your every bumbleclad there, you get up and you blame we in a youth. Remember how we put you where you there? Pussy hole. All you do is feel Jamaica every day, pussy hole. Know that. You feel them every day. You say lockdown with the money there. You say lockdown with the food. You say lockdown, all the pitney them are going to survive. Bumble idiot. You say lockdown. If the people them not go do one day's work and put 2 nails in a one roof or mix some blood clot cement. All them pitney are going blood clot eat pussy. You are say lockdown, but what after the lockdown? Them feel locked down and hungry. Them feel locked down and can't go right. There's a pussy you can't tell me say people who are go right at one shop there so go buy something for eat and get COVID. Enough shopkeeper that Jamaica hold the order. Pussy stop lie. You company media and a lie. You in your local parliament and a lie. A lie to the same people at Jamaica where you claim to say your blood clot help. You help nobody. You not help nobody, pussy hole, go. You not help nobody. Who you help? Who you help, youth? With the food, with the money. You say lockdown, alright. We heard you, bitch. With the money, what we are going to lock down with? What you are going to do? We going to lock up in our house and blood clot hungry. Or you want we dead for hungry? One to the people in Kingston, you think that them have blood clot whole yam in them backyard, we go dig up and boil with salt. No, the country people can go draw down banana off a tree and them people have been on them source of food all of them life, pussy hole, and you bring back source of food. And you bring back source of food at Jamaica, pussy hole. Every time you have your party, you see, we don't come and trick them first. We don't come and say everything I go good, building back stronger and better. That you come and say with your big nose. The only thing me see are bill are hungry. The only thing you build a Jamaica poverty. The only thing you build a Jamaica corruption. The only thing you build a Jamaica the women violence skyrocketing. Children missing skyrocketing. That is the only change you make a Jamaica. Since you in power, so much woman are dead at Jamaica, bad man. Since you in power for them 8 years, yeah, are the most woman dead at Jamaica. Take that. Let me give you statistics right now. You want statistics? Jamaica broke out with you. More violent with you. All of them sitting there. More hungry with you. What you do? Hunger make Jamaica hungry, poverty, and nah do no better. When you in a power, women's safety are no more. Women rights done. Women death skyrocketing with you in power. So it's the time when you get up every day you raise with about COVID, go suck out your mother with it. You see me I deal with? Because you see what really plague Jamaica, you think of COVID are you. And you are the plague down at Jamaica. You. Them send for disrupt and corrupt that. See all your own man them in a parliament a beat off woman, they are not discriminate them and not describe them pussy. And that you come here suffer. You only come here so for deteriorate Jamaica worse than how it did stay. Since you come Jamaica worse than how it did stay. Remember my blood clot tell you that. You are the meaning of corruption. You are the meaning of child endangerment. You are the meaning of women dying. You are the reason for all of that. You think it's me? You think it's a cartel or a DJ or popcorn or a DJ? Or Lolly or Tommy Lee or none of them? Skilly Bang? No, pussy you. 9 out of 10 times, I feel like the Skilly Bang and blood clot, Tommy Lee and cartel they do more for Jamaica than who know. Pussy hole. Because I see them blood clot give out charity enough time and give people 130 and 40,000 years, so 150,000. So I never hear you give back to Jamaica yet. You never give back to Jamaica, not one time. You come with your whole heap of empty bumbuckler promises and your party full of fucking idiots. That's all you came with. Eh? All you came with was blood clot destruction. But when time I talk so, you send for like a blood clot pile of shit them. We are buy your fucked up story if you can have an opinion for me shit in them mouth. What have you done for Jamaica since COVID come out? What you do for yard? More than 10 blood clot Jamaicans were broke and can't feed them youth for stay in their yard. Big hole. What you do? What did you do for Jamaica for the whole of the time of COVID there? Let me tell you what America do already. America gave us 3 or 4 stimulus already from last year. Remember, say America said them is a country we don't have any money right now. But they fighting in their heart for find it and hope the people them look a food stamp. All people never get food stamp. Get it now. Right? In America, yeah. You say it's a third world country. Nobody never did ask you for the food. Nobody never did ask you for 2,000 US. Pussy not even 10 blood clot US. You couldn't even give them pitney that week. Not even 10 bumbuckler US. You could take up from 1 year and had now since COVID come out on our blood clot talk. Not even $10 US you know find in your blood clot heart for feed the youth them at Jamaica. But every minute they feel locked down and them parents stay in the bumbuckler house and them parents care. Batty man, let me tell you something about them party the way I lock off. A people bread and butter them. You see people where you never get a job, but they because you say they not have 40 cape and 50 cape and 30 subject. Them people are going to dance and yeah, the same chucking where you see and you not like and rare. Them a work for them money, them a come out and dance with 1 2 grand or 1,500 for blood clot night. If you go home, go feed them pussy clot pitney them where you not help them feed youth. Stop company, come go on like say you want prime minister in a youth because you know nobody. All you get up and do is blame poor people for everything what go on in Jamaica. And if the poor people are the blood clot artists, them why Tommy Lee say, Uncle D man, yeah man, I make everybody dead. Go lock up in bumbo clot and throw them to murder the panda gun there too. I make blood clot him lie down a prison. Just to cartel say me murder people in a broad daylight. Where you say lizard miss with the same body, you know, but we are saying their own cartel. Chew it on teacher and chew it on two of my friends they ever sing about. Pussy, that's you. But when are you gonna really do the facts them about Jamaica? When are you really going to help Jamaica? You feel like putting dancehall artists into prison. When you put a dancehall artist in a prison, you help the yard. Oh, you mean, man? Oh, you mean? They can't sing no more Uncle D, man. They can't sing no more of that. They can't make no more body dead. Most of the artists who sing bad man tune never kill a soul yet. But you going to feel like a blood clot parliament meeting. I want to sit down for we name every day because I want to come like bitch. I want to get one place to run, you know, and then I go say, Bumbucklad, are the people them why we can't run it good. No, pussy hole. When you take up a job what you can't do for. You're one of the worst Prime Minister Jamaica ever Bumbucklad see. In the whole world. Me, the thing say Siaga was the worst. And you are worse, man. No worse than you can't come. You feel Jamaica every day you wake up, pussy, where one day you never wake. One day, I woke up until you sleep, and Father God does say, I eat that. You, I want disgrace of a Prime Minister. No help. All you do is complain and bitch like, girl. Every day you get up and chat like one local bitch. Like lady with the star. Like you're one big lady. You're the worst. You're the worst. Everybody else try to help them nation. All you do is blame your nation. Pussy all. Only thing you do is blame your nation. Make sure you go take out Mr. Right out of your parliament. Because remember say he's abusive and beating off women. Remember, me notice that your party don't like women. That's why most of the party members are mostly male. Because on the testosterone level high, pussy wall. Yeah, one joker. When I write to them, I care who want report it, you know, then report it, man. Because the truth is always a blood clot offense, but a God friend. You see me I deal with? Me no care. From once you hear this and your becks are true. Suck yourself. Suck your mother too. You see me I deal? You cannot do me fucking nothing because you're a big shit pit. But shit house you be. Me no know what them vote you in for. You're just a regular waste man. You're a waste man. A big waste man. Look at your party, a beat and a beat and chastise woman. That's why when the woman them are dead at Jamaica, it don't mean nothing to you. Go thinking more drunk. Go dog shit. Go and move your bum bucklad from yourself. You go suck yourself. Right now. You see me? Because when me see look at parliament, man, they know him a deal with the catty. Mr. Ross. Kill him out, kill this girl. And then we have to hear one man in a parliament. One of uno. That's why the issues of women don't mean nothing to uno. Because if uno in a parliament deal with girls, so that means when you not see woman are dead, it don't mean nothing to uno. Nothing no mean to uno. Because from the other day, the amount of women are me not see nobody dead from COVID at Jamaica like how women are dead. And the main topic in a year, big lebe, big nose more. You see your nose big? Your nose too big. Pussy well you should have can smell the fucker or go on at Jamaica with your big vacuum nose. You can't smell that. Yeah, it's cool, yes, me. Swear to God. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm raised with the boy. So you know how it go. Yeah, that's a rusty tea liquor. You see me? And then the tea just go get slightly cold, you know? Yeah, cool up the thing, easy. I say, yo. That's easy. Yeah, man, it's a whole less, but it's a disappointment, man. It's a big disappointment, bad man. Me not lie. You're worse. You're the worst. Papa, when you gonna get up every... Come over with TV. We don't want to hear another news bulletin from your careless bumbuckler, dog. We don't want to hear another breaking news. Breaking news, please, just keep it. Keep your breaking news, Papa. You see me? We don't want to hear no more breaking news. Because you see, every time you have breaking news, how we get to blame? You blame we for everything. So you see, next time we hear reported live, you have Andrew Wholeness about to address the nation. You don't look off a fucking TV. Can't make no sense on a pussy clear listen. Because you see what I want to listen to just like a Bex. Because I'm going to tell you now, oi, I want no dirty blood clot rascal. I want to do it. Shit, Pete, let me tell you this now. Who no care better? The poor people, they all who no want to sing a song. The poor people, artists, poor. Nobody in our parliament now get to blame in that. Lock off him bumbo clot as I see him on the TV attack, man. Lock off that, man. Why me I go sit down here just and watch you discriminate one whole island of people? What you did there for, Papa? Are you forget to blame, man, Jankro? Now you tell the boy, yeah, man. Yeah, man, me can weed up the yard, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I want to, man, lease this. This I can fix in a no time. Build this back stronger. 8 years now, I'll know you not start weed up your yard yet. Eight years. As so long it take you to even start weed up your yard, me not expect you to done weed up your yard in a 8 years. But at least start. Make an effort, no? Make an effort, man. Nobody not tell us if you go get one blood clot weed worker, you can use all one machine and start weed up your blood clot yard. I miss the tree for me move up bigger and better, my friend. I don't give a fuck about who on the tree. I have that the tree. The tree ever talk to you yet? No. Oh, you like look at the tree? See when you want to grow, I just plant it. Alive. I live in a one better house now, so we can fuck the tree right now. You see me I did? I plant a new tree, it a come. You see me I did? I have cherry tree, it there, it reach. You see me I did? All me want you to sit down right there and think about is a message when me there, sir. You see me I did? Because the tree not do nothing for your good as. So if you did just watch me for the fucking tree, you can't follow me no good as. You see me because I not go back at the tree. You see me? Yeah, man, I like my new lovely home. You see me? You not feel like it, but me like it. You see me, I did? Yeah. You see? You feel better now? Alright, easy. We are gonna do it. Yo, we are plant a big ganja tree. Sorry, what? And the sun ease up on the you know, the sun rise. You can't, you see me? You see me, I did. I know a joke. You see me, I did. And that's life. If I tree, you didn't watch a tree, is God. So you can't stop watching me now. You see me, I did. So if not for you just watch because it does the for tree, that means I will never did I listen to nothing what me I said in all of these time. Well, the tree gone. Life. You see me? And love, I never chop down the tree. I move from the tree to a bigger house. Yeah, that's what I do. Yes, yeah, that's life good as. You see me? So if the tree you didn't watch, sorry, you can't follow you now because the tree is no longer here. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, my tree. My cherry, man. Cherry tree, I'm not talking about blood clot, the big tree, I never get. Yo, who they never say that come over them, that tree there? Bigger and better tea, alright there. You should make some drinks, you know. You see that, Mr. Wellness? Yeah. Me also sit down at the other tree and not get nothing. No, we may wash it for half a nature coming up. Rain fall one night last night and so. You know it got already, man. Oh, just Christ, some of the shit Jordan drop off. Fuck us. sorry. Some more are ripe. I swear, could have. Cherry a fuck. Good nature. Good nature, man. Good nature. Me had the phone, I can't tell me. I'm coming to get it, baby. See it? And I can talk about say, yo, no phone run off, gone to Jamaica, over and I get nothing from you, no come down here, you idiot. Me have bread in a breadfruit tree around there, so. I had bamboo. Then I'm a community, bad man. Kude, kuku bamboo. Coconut. You see me, I did pear tree. Mango. Get fucked. Stay there. Angel, you can't style me pussy. Not that. Ever. Me a reap. Angel, you know, don't make me. Ooh, and I love to get over you. Something new to get me high like you do. Boot up. Yes, the man hear it. Yes. Because of this morning, we see the one, the PNP party. All on the PNP, none of them I like, you know. Some of them I feel like me I bring none of them. I don't bring not one fucking load out, you know. Because right now, baby chumper mash up your blood clot. And when we are going to get one Biden? And when Jamaica going to get one Biden? People? You hear what Mr. Biden say of America? Everybody we are work for get good pay. And that him a work on right now. Better pay for all. All of you working in a supermarket. When we going to get one of them down in Jamaica, them they sitting there Mr. Biden in a Congress I deal with right now. You know what Mr. Biden I do too? I free up all immigration. Mr. Biden. Thank you, Mr. Biden. Them the man they are try fix up. You understand me? Couple man they in I think the right now way must say yo right now he's working for better pay for most blood clot for Americans. Every American you can think of. You understand me I did? So when time you see baby Trump go on with where him go on with down a yard, don't worry, we soon get a baby Biden. We soon get. You hear what Mr. Biden say? He want make he want immigrants for, as long as on a day and a deal with nothing right. He want make immigration deal with no right. That's good. That's good. That's good. So you see, after baby Trump, we are gonna get one baby Biden. So when baby, hurry up, come baby Biden, 3 more years. No, Ross. 3 more years. Ross clad. Jaja, Jamaica. Yeah, man, this is right. This is hey, we need one blood clot Biden down a yard, man. With the year Biden I say, yo, better payment and rate, man, that go up minimum wage. Yes. Yes, a foreigner. So when we are going to get one of that, a yard, we are going to look for our economy and see if we can help develop it. We need one Biden down there. We need somebody who are going to help clear the way for we. I mean, not talk about PNP nor JLP because them last. The 2 of them last as bomb buckler like to cricket ball we lick for 6 bad man. Can't find back. Is that? So when me I try to tell you we need a Biden down there right now. Me so can come here. So the fuck I gonna do? You can't stop me pussy. The one who just said that a while ago. You tell me one time. You saw me I come down there? You will stop me. Because the whole honor love going like say, when I got at Jamaica, when I feel like say, Ray, I tell you, like I when alone can't hurt people or when no, you can't touch me, come here, you know. Me no ask, no, batty man or dirty girl that. No, you can't touch me, come here. No, blood clot, no shower power, bitch, batty boy, no, you can't touch me. Me no ask you, bitch. Because when me come here, me alive. Because the whole of the claim to say, you don't want to touch me, you know, touch me. Touch blood clot me. Touch me now. Because enough of you bum buckler see me by your sound, don't know me in a pussy. When you see me come to Jamaica, no for you can blood clot walk near me clocks you. Me not ask you. And you gonna stop oh. From do what? Me make sure say anytime me a blood clot come to Jamaica, my citizen change. Brawling pussy. I am no longer a Jamaican citizen. Me no ram fucking show and that, but Mr. Wellness, I work hard for that in a youth. For dash with your passport, you know. Since when me dash with your passport and have the other passport, you can't tell me, you can't touch me in the island, Papa. You all if you want to touch me, you can't. Me I tell you that. Me not ask you, if I not own this or if a blood class civilian want to do it, pussy, you can't touch me neither. No time. Me not care what the fuck you think say you be or who are your father or who are your brother or who are your cousin. Trust me, my friend. Anytime you see me, you will realize why me say you can't touch me. And God, bitch. Is that? Yeah, man, me killer. I don't know joke, man. Yeah, when me come to Jamaica, people just know say I am a gay girl coming into a homophobic country and I touch me, ball out, my friend. As you touch me uncomfortable, me lock up every blood clot body. And if you don't, me have big liar, a foreigner, she willing to fly. My liar too, she big, she know about the system down there. And me tell her, anytime I call her when I'm down there, she know what the fuck you do. When I don't swear to no blood clot, down that is it. I don't give a fuck if you don't have a sodomite or Batman law. I go sue enough for my rights. And foreign, me come learn about this suing thing. I want to no fuck around me. I want to no fuck around me down a blood clot that all in the airport, all in missing one on the security, them look for me too tough. Or even say something when me not like me a video that shit and I'm suing everybody. Yeah? If you not fuck with my character and them look at it, look at me not trouble about it. I'm to your bumbo when you come like idiot down there. Me tired of telling them people come a foreign come learn. Nobody feel like say pussy me come a foreign come near me. Me can learn about the system. I will sue no bumbo clad because the sewing money nice. When the money little but it can't keep it, can't tap a gap. I'm a liar big. How the fuck do my friend have money? Money we use, my friend. That's my dad road without anklet. Without none of them that's in the car after we have no footer. You see me I deal with we can walk around free for the sodomite. Lord, the sodomite make it walk. Yes, thanks to come paint my toenails. Did my pedicure. I don't see enough of you guys saying that. I see you do your fingernail. It wasn't my fingernail good as it's my toenail. Yes, sir. Tell you, man, boy, Andrew is a disappointment, dog. Me have to light up a spirit and just do say piss and shit. Yeah, yeah. Because brother, if they never do as a freedom of speech there, we can't talk anything but want to talk out of my mouth, dog. A bitch that. A bitch that we can go right in front of Parliament door and go say, hey! Yeah, bitch! That, yo, we don't need a Jamaica, we don't need to start protest and them thing there. You remember when George Floyd, they get fucked boy, yeah? Or we not down there a blood clot, we want justice for him. When no come from there, when no Jamaicans never do him nothing. But uno the down there protest we want sit whenever concern no. You say this concern no. A time for no go blood clot. We want justice. With the white blood clot paper, why can't this paper in there? No blood clot, white line, no nothing. Nobody no want wave one bumper clot flag, no. You crazy? We no need to go turn up out a blood clot parliament and tell parliament say we need justice for women. Justice for women. No more killing of women. We need a women law. We need women law. Every bumper clot there till big nose get it. If you not gonna make big nose get it, big nose now go get it. The same pussy clot nose big like a chair when I sit down pat. What's up? You say? You need to go down there, go blood clot with the cartridge paper, them and stamp. And if they're not here, you know, catch some fire and I make a blood clot road. You don't need to go fucking protest for the right. You don't need to go do some petition and them sitting there. Make, you know, have like all 57,000 signature for rights against women, for children laws. You feel let me deal with? You don't do some petition for anything at all. You can do petition and make them hear, you know. Them have to hear. Because I know the population, bad man. You see me I deal with? If you just sit down there and make them get up every day upon news that about COVID vaccine, COVID vaccine. Woman are dead. Nobody not talk about that. Who no need to go make it see it, make it known. Who no need to go down there go make it known since them not see it. Since them not hear it then. Even though we know say them a see it, I would know say them a hear it. We need to go down there go blood clot, make them hear it look louder. Everybody don't know where parliament there. 120,000 now no go down there and a protest every day. They must get tired of it and fix it. They must get tired of it and fix it. Women are dead. You know see say the people in a parliament abusive towards women. You know go protest. You know see say women are dead in a bush every minute. Go and go protest. You know see say the man them are verbally abusive and domestic violence are skyrocket. You know go and go blood clot protest. And that it name. You know have to go protest and make no voice heard. You know why my talk said no gathering? Because him know. So we need to gather as a population and make a betterment there. You feel me? I do. Go, they go shout, yell, make him bumbleclad hear him in there. Say, yo, listen, women rights needed right now. We need child law. You understand me? I deal with? You never hear an Amber Alert at Jamaica yet. At time for we have them there sitting there, Amber Alert, protect your youths, them will go bumbleclad protest. Protest in front of the whole of bumbleclad them. And them supposed to be our vice, but they lock them out. That's what we walk through.